Hello friends, welcome to Bootstrap4 Navbar customization part 6 video tutorial. And on the previous video tutorial we animated our drop down menu, and in this video tutorial we are going to open our drop down menu by simply hovering over to the drop down links. So by default the Bootstrap allows us to open the drop down menu by clicking over the drop down link. So instead of using our clicks to open our drop down menus, we are going to simply use the mouse hover technique to open up our drop down menu. So let's start. So for this feature we are going to take the help of the jQuery library of JavaScript, and we are going to write about the 2 or 3 lines of code, and 2-3 lines of code will do on the job. So let's start. First of all, let me show you one thing here. So I have inspected this drop down link here. So this is the li element, and this is the a tag that wraps our drop down text and this is the drop down menu. So this div has the class drop down menu and the cost drop class. So I'll show you one thing here. If I open up this drop down menu, so now we see that we have drop down menu class, cost drop class, and the show class. So if I again close the drop down menu, so we see that the drop down menu and cost drop class are only the class left in this div, and there is no show class. So this show class gets added when the drop down menu opens, and if the drop down menu closes, the show class gets disappeared. So we are going to use this show class here. So I'll show you here one thing here. So I have added this show class manually in this div class, and if I enter the show class, and we have our drop down menu that is shown. So now if I remove this show class, the drop down menu gets disappeared. So we are going to add and remove the show class in this div to just open and close our drop down menu. So let's start. So above this body end body tag, end tag of the body, we are going to write the script tag as script script. So let's start. So what are we going to do is that so when we hover over this drop down link, that is this li element, that's now this li element has the class drop down here. So we are going to use its class drop down. So drop drop and down. So this drop down, the element, when this is saying that the element with the drop down class, that is this element, this li element. So when the mouse mouse enters enter enter, so when the mouse enters this drop down class and the element, this element functr function, so when the mouse enters this li item, and that is li element, we are going to add the children. This div is the children of this li element, that is okay. Now this means this li element and its children, childre and children. So with children is, this is also the children of this li element, and this one is also the children of this li element. So we are going to take the children element with the cost drop class, that is this div, that means this div. So with the cost drop cost drop class, and in this class, in this div, we are going to add another class, that is the show class. So let's add the class add class class, and the class name is show. Save it and this is it. So let's go to our browser and refresh our page. So if I hover over this link, our drop down menu opens. So if I hover over to another link, it opens but it doesn't closes. So we need to write the closing function too. We have written the opening function, now we need to write also the closing function too. So let's go inside our code, and so this is the code for mouse enter, that is when the mouse enters that drop down link. So when the mouse leaves, so now leaves, leaves, I think mouse leave, only leave. So when the mouse leaves this item here, we are going to simply remove our class, this show class. So the show class gets removed from this div here when the mouse leaves. So this is it. Save it and let's refresh our browser, and when I enter, so this drop down link opens, and when I get out, it closes. Enter opens, enter opens, so enter opens, and I get out, close. Okay, this looks fine, guys, and this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial, and have a nice day.